For this problem, all it's asking us to do is write the equation of the axis of symmetry. This given to us is an equation or a function of a parabola, quadratic function. It's also known as that as well. So the formula is something that we have to memorize. It's not always given to us. So the formula is x equals negative b over 2a. We find the variables b and a by looking at our original equation. A is always a number in front of x squared, so in this case that's 4. B is always a number in front of x, that's going to be 7. And C is always a number without a variable, in this case that's negative 9. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and plug it into this equation right here. All we need is the B and the A, just for the axis of symmetry. Remember, we have to follow the directions. If this is what the question is asking, this is all you have to find. So when I plug it in, I'm going to plug in negative B. I'm going to put my B value in. In this case, it is a positive 7. So I'm going to plug in positive 7 over 2a. My a value is 4. So when I simplify that, I get negative 7 over 8. But this is not our final answer because the axis of symmetry is an equation. So your final answer is x equals negative 7 over 8. Now, a common question that a lot of people ask me is, hey, what if our b value is negative? Well, if this b value is a negative number, it's going to be negative b, and the b value on the inside is going to be negative. So we know a negative times a negative will give us a positive as our result. So that's something to think about, especially if your a is negative as well. Don't forget the rules when you multiply and divide by negatives. So this is your final answer. Make sure you choose that as the correct answer on the ThinkLink or EOC tests.